it's all about freedom, we say in Manila. But what is freedom? Is freedom just another word for nothing left to lose? Well, who better to ask than the experts? The people from the Friedrich Naumann Foundation for Liberty, for Freedom.
For me, freedom means that you are able to fulfill your personal human potential, that you can chart your own course in life, that you can look at yourself and determine for yourself what do I want in life, and that you're allowed to strive for that. We don't succeed in all of them, but when other people come and stop you from doing that, stop you from trying, don't allow you to go down a certain path, don't allow you to marry the partner of your choice, don't allow you to follow your dreams, that is unfreedom.
Freedom is the freedom to choose, to be different, to say no, to be oneself.
Freedom is a very complex concept, but on a personal level, and I think this is what identifies liberals, it's a state of mind and a way of living, and it unites those people of a liberal political leaning. It's those people who think that their personal freedom is essential to them.
Yeah. Freedom for me means the freedom and the opportunity to decide, to make choices, but really to make choices. But obviously my own freedom ends where the freedom of my neighbor starts. So freedom comes with responsibility for me that is interlinked and intertwined, and I can't separate one from the other.
Freedom, therefore, is, I believe, really the basic human value, because if we are created by God, we are given an opportunity to do something with life. And even if you are an atheist, the meaning of life is that you are able to do something with it, that you are able to put a dream into it, something that makes you go on, face the day from day to day.
In a societal context, the liberals are those forces who are working for political solutions to problems of society, of politics and economy, which are always aimed at increasing the individual freedom of the individual freedom of the society, of the members of society. And there you can identify a liberal, and you can clearly draw a line between a liberal and a socialist.
If someone interferes with that for no good reason, except in cases where your dream interferes with someone else's dream. But if people interfere with your dreams just because they have the power to do so, just because they like to do so, just because they think they have the right to tell you how to live your life, that is, I think, the most basic violation of human rights. If you don't allow people to live their dreams, if you limit their dreams, if you block their dreams, a society that does that blocks dreams, crushes dreams, stunts dreams, cannot be a happy society, cannot be a creative society, cannot be a society in which humans make progress and are able to live a good and meaningful life.
Freedom is choice. Freedom is choice. Freedom is choice. Do you have an opinion? What is freedom?
Freedom is, well, you have to ask the representative of the Friedrich Naumann Foundation, you know? They will know. Let's go!